If you're new to dropshipping and looking for a reliable supplier platform in 2025, Spocket is definitely worth checking out. What sets Spocket apart is it's focused on products from suppliers which are based mainly in the US and Europe. This means faster shipping times compared to traditional AliExpress dropshipping, which is a huge plus for keeping customers happy and reducing refund requests. For beginners, Spocket's user interface is clean and easy to navigate. You can connect your Shopify store, quickly browse thousands of products with filters for your location, price, and category, and import items with just a few clicks. The import list features lets you customize product details before publishing, which helps you keep your store's branding consistent. One downside to keep in mind is the pricing. While Spocket offers a free plan, its premium plans, which unlock the best products and automation tools, start at around $24 per month. But considering the quality of suppliers and faster shipping, you may find it worth the investment for a smoother dropshipping experience. Overall, Spocket is a solid choice if you want to build a brand with reliable products and faster delivery. If you're just starting out and want a simple platform that cuts down on the visual dropshipping headaches, give Spocket a try. If this review helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more honest e-commerce reviews. And drop a comment with any questions you have about using Spocket in 2025.